So here's another way of counting the rows in brioche, is to use a row counter thread. This is just a piece of scrap thread that we're threading through our knitting on every other row, or that's every other row of fabric. So in brioche terms, that's every 4 rows. I'll show you how it works and then hopefully it'll become a bit clearer. But we started by putting this in row 2, and then we've put it in row 4 and row 6 and row 8. So it's very easy now to quickly count 2, 4, 6, 8 plus these top 2 stitches, and we're actually about to work row 10, and we'll see this quite clearly. We're doing our slip stitch to start with, yarn back, bark, yarn forward, slip, bark, yarn forward, and then we're in this column now where the row counter has been placed. Now can you see what's going on above the row counter? There's 2 little twists of stitches. Now each twist, that's a pair of yarns going across, and that's the forward and the back yarn. So we've worked forwards and back for one of these twists, and then forward and back for the second of these twists. So this becomes row 10, or the 10th row of the fabric. And we just move the yarn across, just lay it across our stitches, and then just carry on as usual, and that just lodges it in there. And we can now see we've done 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 rows, and that just helps us to avoid counting the actual knit stitches, but if we were to count, you'll see there's 10 in that column. So that's just an alternative way of counting rows. You can see some other videos of ours about row counter threads. They're really great, very simple way of counting rows.